Assalamualaikum everybody, this is my 36th algorithm video, and in this video we will be calculating the sum of the first n terms. The series would be like 1 raised to power 3 plus 2 raised to power 3 plus 3 raised to power 3, and it would go till n raised to power 3. So the number that is given to us is 5. I would make a sum variable is equal to 0, and I would also make a power variable and I would give it a value of 3. So for num in range 1 till number plus 1, sum is equal to sum plus num raised to power, and now coming out of the for loop I print sum. So the sum of the series till number 5 is 2 to 5. If I change the number to say 7, so the sum of the series till 7 is 784. I hope you understood this algorithm. Please share, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.